Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I want to show you a very beautiful, very easy and very cheap way of decorating not only your balloon garlands but your home in general for holiday season. This thing is trending right now so much. I hope you will enjoy it because I really enjoyed making this, and this DIY took me back all the way to my childhood. Without any further ado, let's go. Let's quickly run through all of the supplies that I have here in front of me. As you can see, I don't have a lot, and this is awesome because I absolutely love these types of DIYs that does not require you to get a whole bunch of supplies to create something beautiful. Today I will be using brown lunch paper bags that I got on Amazon. These are 6x3. And you don't have to use brown. You can get yourself white or any other color that you will find. You don't have to get them on Amazon. You can check your local stores. I'm pretty sure they will have lunch paper bags. I will be using scissors and hot glue gun. For the start, you will need 7 paper bags. I am flipping them so the bottom is facing upwards. Grabbing my hot glue and putting like a T shape. Just like this. Second bag right on top and press. Repeat the same process with the rest of your bags. Grabbing our scissors and starting from the top, the middle of it, we're cutting the corners off, creating a triangle shape on top. At this point, we can unfold our star. You can help it out. Maybe some of the tips got glued in the wrong spot. Not a big deal. Here we go. And look what we have. How pretty. Grab your hot glue and let's glue 2 ends together. And just like that, I have a beautiful paper star. You guys, this took me about literally like 2 minutes to make. It was fast, easy, simple. It looks beautiful, not expensive whatsoever. And I'm pretty sure even your children will enjoy this DIY. Let me show you what else you can do with the star to make it even more festive. After cutting your corners from your star, instead of unfolding and gluing it right away, I want to make some cuts. So I am starting with the bottom, cutting little triangles. You don't have to cut triangles, so you can create something different. Half circles or anything that you can cut with scissors through 7 layers of paper bags and cutting more. We are ready to unfold. Just wait, you guys, just wait and see. Look how beautiful these cuts look on your star. Amazing. Now we're ready to glue our star together. This is my favorite way to make these snowflakes, stars. Absolutely love the little detail. For this star, I will be only cutting triangles on the top of the star and leaving the sides as they are. Unfold and glue it together. And this is how I create these beautiful stars or flowers out of paper bags. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I will link and list everything in the description under this video. I hope you will enjoy this DIY as much as I did.